This is how it's looking right now. A mess. I gotta take the trash out. I gotta restock her bed. I really want to take her bassinet down because now she's getting to a point where she's climbing and trying to get on the little bar and eat the bar. And I'd be scared that she gonna fall. But I will take it down, but I don't know where I'm gonna put her dirty clothes at. It's making me irritated and sad because we literally have no space. Like, I don't know where I'm gonna put these clothes at. But I just keep telling myself that I am working very hard and I do not have much longer here. Like, everything's gonna work out. I got my tissue right there. My nose has been running a lot. I really don't feel too good, but we gotta keep pushing. I've been very consistent, so I gotta finish the last week. I also wanna organize over there a little bit, so we're gonna get that together. First, we're gonna start off by washing this comforter because it is dirty. Thanks to her. A lot to wash. I hate washing dishes. This is my least favorite thing to do, but it has to get done. I often fantasize the stars above our shell. They know my heart is sweet to you like only lovers do. If I could wear your clothes, I pretend it was you. This is my little hygiene hair area, and as y'all can see, it looks a mess. We're gonna try to get this as organized as possible. Definitely gotta clean this off, but I still have everything Z's daddy gave me, and I didn't even know this stuff was over there. He gave me this hat. I don't even remember this shirt, and then he gave me this shirt, and he had got me some perfumes for one of my birthdays and some candles that I never opened. I'm gonna just keep them like that. I just be holding on to stuff for memories. And then we had did the hot chip challenge one year. I think we did it 1 year for Vlogmas. I think it's one of my Vlogmas videos. But yeah, I still have the videos from that. Yeah, so this is like my little memory bag, and I just keep it over here. I've been getting asked what I want for Christmas, and I've been saying I don't know. But I literally could have asked for Fenty Beauty face wash because I need some more. Still cluttered, but this is as good as it's gonna get. The kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the got a vacuum the floor. It's about to be loud.
Whoa, what's the matter?
I'm actually very tired. Well, I just checked the comforter set and it's still not dry. But I'm about to go ahead and end this video so that I don't upload too late tonight. I'm tired. I hope that you guys enjoyed this mini reset. I'm definitely gonna do another one before the year's over to prepare for the new year, get the clothes clean and all that stuff. So make sure y'all subscribe and leave a like and a comment. It helps us grow and it's very much appreciated. Help us get on up out of here, support us, and yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye.